Hello everyone, welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. Today I'm sharing with you this beautiful, delicious Pillsbury biscuit hack. Be sure to use the one that says Flakey layers. Let's do it. I must pause right here to say hello to my people, to my members. God bless you. I appreciate you here today. To my returning subscribers, you are and forever will be my MVP. God bless you. To my brand new subscribers, you are welcome and God bless you too. To those of you who are just watching, and I know you are enjoying these videos, please consider subscribing. Join the membership. Be sure to hit the notification bell when you join. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you and thank you in advance. I'm just taking these biscuits to the next level. God bless you. If you'd like to donate to this channel, I will appreciate it. There is a thank you tab right below this video. There are links in my description box. There is one there for Patreon, PayPal, my post office box, our merch store, as well as our Amazon store. There is also a join button to join our membership. God bless you and thank you in advance. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, okay? Also, don't forget to tap the bell button below to be notified of every video I upload. My name is Melda and welcome to our family. God bless you and I will see you in the next one.